One of the most important things that we can do to help the return rate of fuel pumps is to ensure the correct part for the application. When selling fuel pumps, you need to consider all the following components. First of all, we need to know the year of the vehicle, we need to know the make of the vehicle, and obviously the model of the vehicle. Very importantly, we need to know the engine and engine size. Often we will need to know the VIN to go along with the engine and the engine size. The reason for this is many times a same engine application, for example a 3.8 liter, will have two different VINs which may be two different fuel systems. So it's very important that we get as much detail as possible up front. Along with that, we may need to know tank size in gallons. We may need to know what the fuel type is. Is it a gasoline vehicle? Is it a flex fuel vehicle? Is it a biofuel vehicle? Is it a diesel? Is it a hybrid? Remember that many platforms can come in standard fuel system or hybrid platforms, and the cars look essentially the same. What is the wheelbase of the vehicle? Does the vehicle have to meet California emission standards? When we look under the hood, all vehicles have an emission label under the hood that say if it is a 49 state or California or all state emission package. Sometimes this is important to be sure we have the right part. What is the vehicle type? For example, is it a coupe? Is it a sedan? Is it a station wagon? Or is it a convertible? Where's the pump location? Is it on the left side or on the right side of the vehicle? Is it the primary or secondary tank? Is it the front, rear, midship, or aft? All of these are important to ensure that we're getting the right part for the vehicle. Sometimes we need to know tank composition. Is it a metal tank or a plastic tank, as this can change the part? And of course, if it's a pickup truck, what is the cab type if it's a pickup truck? Is it a standard type cab? Is it an extended cab? Is it a crew cab? What is the harness or module tag number? Meaning often there'll be a tag on the module or the harness that helps us identify the correct part for the correct application. And while it may seem obvious, sometimes in the hustle bustle of a commercial shop environment, sometimes the vehicle gets checked and it is determined that the fuel pump is bad and the vehicle may be out of fuel. So an important question is, was there fuel in the tank before determining the fuel pump itself was bad? May seem strange, but sometimes what you may find is you can help the installer in making that determination because they may not have done that before they made their final diagnosis. All of these components are important to be sure that the right part goes in the right vehicle and obviously helping with our return rate for incorrect application.